Mastering your AirPods, track reset feature.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of Apple and its iconic AirPods. One feature that often gets overlooked but can prove extremely useful is the track reset feature. If you're scratching your head wondering, what is this track reset feature and when should I use it, then you're in the right place.
What is the track reset feature?
The track reset feature in AirPods is a way to reset your AirPods to their factory settings. This includes resetting all settings and removing any devices that are currently paired to them. Think of it as a clean slate for your AirPods. Everything goes back to how it was when you first pulled them out of the box.
When should I use the track reset feature?
The key moments to consider using this feature are when your AirPods are not working as expected, or you're experiencing persistent connectivity issues. Here are a few examples. 1. Persistent connection issues. If your AirPods aren't connecting to your devices as smoothly as they should, or they keep disconnecting unexpectedly, a track reset can often solve the issue. 2. Sound issues. Sometimes, you might experience problems with the sound quality, such as volume imbalances or noises. A reset may help resolve these issues. 3. Selling or giving away your AirPods. If you're planning on selling your AirPods or gifting them to someone else, performing a track reset is a must. It allows the new user to pair them to their devices without any problems. 4. Failed updates. If an update doesn't install correctly or causes problems with your AirPods functionality, performing a track reset can often rectify the problem.
How to use the track reset feature.
To reset your AirPods, follow these simple steps. 1. Make sure your AirPods are in their charging case and that the lid is open. 2. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until the status light starts flashing amber. 3. Release the button and close the lid. 4. Your AirPods are now reset to their factory settings. And there you have it. The track reset feature is a handy tool to have in your arsenal when troubleshooting your AirPods. It's easy to use and can solve a range of issues. So the next time you're experiencing problems with your AirPods, remember, a simple reset could be the solution you need. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech tips.